Stall number is this?
22.
22. Good. Start again? Okay. So this is Sanjay Agarwal. I'm at the India Art Festival, which is being held at the Constitution Club. So this is open till the 5th of November. And we are at hall number 22, the stall number 22.
Yeah.
I'm with Pavni Nagpal. So you can see her work. It's mesmerizing. So it's a kind of like a showstopper thing, that we are forced to come here. So it's over to Pavni. You can talk about yourself and how do you feel about your work. First this work and then the rest.
Okay. Hi, my name is Pavni Nagpal. I've studied fine art in university and I'm a BFA graduate. Also have done an MBA in marketing. My series is actually on Devi and the different 9 forms of Durga. So this being the last centerpiece, this is called Adi Shakti, and here you'll see 9 circles going around. So they're actually all the 9 forms of Nav Durga. So all the Devis that you see here are in the small circles. So Adi Shakti is actually the creator of the universe. Without her, there was no life on earth. So that's why the large size. This is a 7 feet by 7 feet in diameter. And all that you see here is acrylic paint. There is no other medium that I use. Just if you see this from a distance, it looks like another medium because of the 3D effect, but it's all given by hand and with acrylic paint. So
It's some kind of modified Tanjore.
yeah, it's a modified modern Tanjore with a mix of pop art. This
Great,
is my own personal style that I have developed. And I'm 28 years old, and I think it's taken me about 20 years to reach here and have a style of my own that I can call my
So when did
signature style.
This is your first
No,
work?
I exhibited last year,
Alright.
but since 2-3 years, women portraits are something that I really like making because their stories really inspire me. And what better motivation than Devi Ma? Navratri has always been celebrated at my house a lot, and my dad believes a lot in Mata Rani, so do I, and I look up to her as a goddess as well because I'm a woman and I feel the woman is the creator of the universe.
Yes.
So this is an ode to Devi Ma, and they are all different forms interpreted here. I have 3 behind also. I've sold 2 of the pieces.
In the festival?
They were studio sold
Okay.
before exhibiting only.
Good.
So yeah, one of the pieces that I have here is called Melanin Majesty. So this talks about mostly our culture in India, where jitna zyada you have melanin in your skin, you're more dark. But India is the country for darker skin, and if she being a goddess is called Kali and prayed to, so every woman with any kind of insecurities, with a darker skin or whatever she's insecure about, should feel like a goddess as well.
Great. They should overcome their whatever. Yes.
The insecurities.
Great.
Sculpture.
This is a sculpture.
This is a
What's
sculpture.
it made out of?
Fiberglass.
Ooh, lovely.
So this is called Chardi Kala. It's a Punjabi word which means onwards
We
and
have a
up.
channel also by the name.
Okay. So it means onwards and upwards. This is a very beautiful woman with horns. So the horns represent the insecurities that every woman has, be it their size, their color, their shape, their height, whatever they're insecure of. So if a woman that beautiful can embrace it and be out there in the public like that, I think nobody should be scared of how they are.
Yeah.
And
This
the
is
original.
it's an Asian woman or an Indian or
It's
is it?
an Indian woman. Everybody here you see is an Indian woman,
But
and
this
they
is something like this. What do you call this?
the nut. Yeah, every woman wears this when they're getting
But
married.
more like from Egyptian or
No,
nothing,
we get
not drawn
every
from there?
Indian woman wears this when they're getting married.
Wonderful. So
yeah.
why did you do it in fiber? What was the reason?
So this is the first time that I ventured into sculpture, and fiber is a medium that is very long lasting. It does not break as well. So I wanted to try onto something that is more sustainable and it won't go bad for maybe thousands of years.
So you have to make a mold. You have
Yeah,
to.
first
It's
you
but
make
done
it
by
in clay.
hand. in
Yeah,
clay,
first you model it in clay. So it was very difficult for me because painting on a canvas and making something out of scratch from mud is a very different experience.
Yeah, that's what we wanted to tell the viewer that this is not something by mold. It's not a molded
it's not
thing.
something like that.
It's made by hand because my sister did everything like this. So it's wonderful, and we want to. We can see there. Come, we'll move to that side. We have some horns. So what is this?
The goddess Mahagauri. This
Okay.
is a white elephant.
Right.
The painting here is very white.
We have the tusks.
Yeah, the tusk of the
Great.
elephant. I don't like to paint eyes, be it of the ladies or the animals, because I feel my paintings have a soul in themselves and you don't need eyes, the obvious, to tell the story. So she's the goddess of peace. She provides you inner peace and inner strength. And that's why she's been shown in a very calm pose with a white elephant.
It's lovely. And we see these birds chirping.
So she's in the jungle, everything's blooming. It's like you can listen to the birds chirping and
Yeah,
just her
true.
being calm over
We
there.
were just at the other studio Pankaj. So what he was, we were just talking to him. So we've seen his work.
Yeah.
So he's got those people from Kerala. So I was wondering if music was playing. So even in your thing, if he
Yeah.
had some background music, it would be really great.
Yeah.
We have this fabric and
Yeah,
all.
so I also use fabric in some of my paintings, but I also use a material on top of them so that they don't go bad because of the weather. So these paintings are going to last you a lifetime.
Great.
I
This
might
is
die,
what
but they
what
won't.
size is this?
See, all the smaller circles are 4 feet by 4 feet.
Alright. Are they heavy? It's to lift?
They're quite heavy because of the 3D work that I've
Yes,
done.
true. And then we have this, what is this lady?
This is
the
Siddhi
peacock.
Datri. This is
Okay.
the 9th goddess.
Yeah.
So she's the one who's actually attained the Siddhi. Siddhi is like she's finally evolved and she's loved herself, and she's on this heaven-like journey where nothing is going to bother her, and she's like a queen and goddess with all her locks flying. And then we have our national bird, the peacock.
Yeah, it's so lovely. It's so pretty. And then we
all-
have these stones.
Yeah,
What do you see?
she's wearing emeralds. I love emeralds, and I feel
These
all.
are what? Natural?
This is acrylic paint.
Acrylic.
Yeah,
Okay. It's
everything.
paint.
It's paint.
It's not the natural emerald stone.
No,
Yeah, but it looks like it appears.
like natural.
Yeah, it does.
everything.
So this is your first time at the India Art Festival?
This is my 5th time
This is
attending.
your fifth time. So how has it been your journey here? Like,
It's been a good experience.
Okay.
You get to meet a lot of art lovers.
and where else do you exhibit? Like, which all countries do you?
I've mostly exhibited in Delhi.
Alright.
I'm a part of Masha Art. It's a gallery in Delhi. They do have a few of my art pieces.
Permanent.
And I also sell through Instagram by the name of Pav's Arts.
Wonderful. And you want to add anything else which we might have missed out about yourself, about you as a person?
I just support women power, and I think it's our time to shine.
Yeah, I think what she said, and with the reservation in the parliament coming 33%, although I'm for 50%.
Yeah.
And when today we've been meeting women, so we were only 2 men and there were 6, 7 women. So
Yeah.
as it's 70 versus 30.
Yeah.
So I not. So thank you, Roop, and this is Sanjay Agarwal signing off. We'll be visiting here. This is till the 5th of November. So please visit. This is stall number 22. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you so
Take your car.